Hello students, let's continue with narration, that is direct indirect speech. I have already uploaded an introductory video. Let's continue with the basics step by step. In the direct speech, you will find one clause written outside the inverted commas and another clause written within the inverted commas. Outside the inverted commas, we write who spoke to whom, and within the inverted commas, we write what is spoken. This is called reporting speech and this is called reported speech. For example, Neera said to her brother, I need your help. Who spoke to whom? Neera spoke to her brother. And what is spoken? I need your help. Another thing you will find in both the clauses their own verbs. Said in the reporting speech, this verb is called reporting verb. And the verb of the reported speech is called reported verb. Here said is reporting verb and need is reported verb. Students, before changing direct speech to indirect speech, you have to make sure some points. You have to look for the tense of the reporting verb. If it is in the present tense, past tense or the future tense. Secondly, you have to see what kind of sentence is written here in the reported speech. As you know, there are four kinds of sentences: statements, questions. Again, the questions are of two types: helping verb questions and WH word questions. Third one is the imperative sentence, commands, requests, suggestions and advices. And fourth one is the exclamations and wishes. So before changing direct to indirect speech, you have to see, you have to notice what kind of sentence is written within the inverted commas. Students, while rewriting a statement in the indirect speech, we change said to told. And we remove these punctuation marks. We use that in order to connect both the clauses. If there is a question in the reported speech, we have to use asked in place of said to. And next we have to notice if it is a helping verb question or a WH word question. A question may begin with the WH word or it may begin with a helping verb. Suppose it begins with a helping verb, we use the conjunction if or whether. If it is a WH word question, any of the question word, who, which, where, and etc. can be used. We use the same WH word to connect both the clauses. We use the same WH word as a conjunction while rewriting the indirect speech. Let's take the imperative sentences. While rewriting a request in the indirect speech, we change said to requested and we remove the punctuation marks. We use conjunction to and infinitive. To infinitive, that means to plus verb 1. Neha requested me to help her. This is a request. To rewrite a command, the commander ordered or commanded, and we can write any word. The commander ordered again to verb 1. to march forward. The commander ordered to march forward, or the commander commanded to march forward. We use to infinitive. That means 2 plus verb 1. Next, advice. The doctor said to the patient, exercise regularly. The doctor advised the patient. Again, to infinitive. To exercise regularly. As you can see in the imperative sentences, said to is being changed to either requested or ordered or commanded or advised or suggested. While rewriting imperatives with let. He said, let's work together. He suggested that they should work together. So reporting verb said is changed to suggested. Conjunction that is used and should is used. The mother said, don't play outside. This is a negative imperative. In that case, the mother asked us not to play outside. So infinitive not to is used. Not to and verb 1. The mother forbade us to play outside. We can write the similar sentence in this way also. We use the reporting verb forbade to write a negative imperative. Students, let's take exclamatory sentences. What a lovely dress, she said. She exclaimed that it was a lovely dress. So exclamatory sentences in indirect speech are written as statements. He said, alas, my dog is dead. So interjections like, oh, alas, well, hooray, etc. are omitted, and their sense are expressed by means of phrases like exclaimed with sorrow, exclaimed joyfully, or exclaimed with surprise. The reporting verb exclaimed can be used, or we also can use cried, thanked, wished, prayed. Conjunction that is used, and all these punctuation marks are removed. We use a full stop at the end.